Hello, I am back in the US, and sorry I did a terrible job vlogging in Jamaica, but it is what it is. Yeah.
Been calling you. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Good morning. Welcome to the channel. My name is Sade. If you're new here, if you're older but a goodie, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. On this channel we do budgeting videos, trying to get our finances together, sis, while still trying to be cute doing fashion videos, and we also do some vlogs. Just got back from Jamaica last night. Right now I'm about to head. I've been in bed like all morning. Finally just got up and did all the do's and put some clothes on. So I'm about to go see my best friend and my godbaby and drop some stuff off that I bought for them at the airport yesterday. I bought this cute onesie for my godbaby. Now the color isn't that cute, but they didn't have her size, and I really don't know about like baby sizing and stuff, so I had bought this. It just says Jamaica, no problem, man. Yeah, they had this cute dress. Like I went in, I was like, I want that, but they didn't have her size. They were like big kid sizes, like 5T and 4T, and she's only like what, 6 months? 9 months. She 9 months this month, so she 8 months right now. Why am I even told the people, I was like, she's 6 months. Child, she 8 months, but I think this could fit her. Hopefully it can fit her. If not, it'll fit her like soon. So, hey guys, good morning. I wanted to vlog yesterday, but I forgot my camera, so I'm back in the building now. I was so cute yesterday though. Like they want us to start dressing professionally now, I guess because the students are back in the building, so we have to like dress up. And I looked so good yesterday. I should have vlogged. I should have at least took a picture or something. But anyway, today is round 2. I'm wearing this dress that from the Shein haul that I hated. But look, listen, we have what, less than 2 months left in school. I am not about to go or buy clothes. So I'm wearing what I have. Some of my clothes are tight. So because I have not been in professional dress in over a year. So obviously I gained weight and everything like that. So all my clothes don't fit. They are tight or like, you know, so I'm just wearing what I have. So whether I like this or not, I am wearing it, honey. The only problem is like right here, but I have a jacket or anything, something to put over it either way. I'm just looking real tropical today. If I feel like it, I'll probably put these shoes on right here to make it more professional. But yeah, that's what's up right now. So the other thing that I'm doing right now is about to put on my press-on nails. So last night, this one, the reality of wearing press-on is that sometimes they do fall off. So I lost this one last night and my pinky. So I have them here, and you can call it ghetto, but listen, you're not gonna catch me slipping, honey. So I'm putting these on right now. I have my glue. It literally takes 1 minute. Catch you slipping, honey. Where? Why? For what? No, never. I'm trying to like present myself a little bit more. Not really, like I have blemishes and stuff on my face, and I don't want to wear makeup. Like I want my skin to breathe, and like makeup to me is unnecessary at work. But I do want to work on like clear my skin up and stuff like that, so I can just have like a nice look. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? So I need to start checking the weather app because I'm leaving work and it's raining, it's cold. I feel like when it gets to like the spring, summertime, and I put my seatbelt on because I'm tired of y'all coming for me. And I know it's a bad habit, so I appreciate everybody who called me out on it. I'm more conscious about it. But anyway, I need to start checking the weather app because it's cold, it's rainy. I have a dress on with sandals, not it. So I feel like when it gets to like the spring, summertime, I never check the weather. Like I don't even care as long as I'm warm. But today I'm cold. So yeah, that needs to change, and I'm heading home. The whole network today that the students used to log on to Zoom and everything crashed. So for the last 2 periods, we basically didn't have class. So yeah, right now I'm about to go home. And I'm sorry. So I'm about to go home. I only had coffee today and 2 boiled eggs. So right now, I'm not really hungry at the moment. but I feel like a headache is coming on. And I need to go grocery shopping. That's first. So that's why I have not been bringing anything to work, because I don't have anything in the house really. I could feel you fading. Good morning. So today is Thursday. I was really tight that today was a Friday. I really thought today was Friday. I just came on here to vent real quick. Why is it 38 degrees? It's April 23rd, 22nd, whatever. It's April. For the past couple days, it was nice and warm. Why is it 38 degrees? And when it comes, like I told y'all yesterday, when it comes to like this time of the year, I don't look at the weather app. I dress for the season. It is spring. Luckily, our school gave us this nice little fleece. It's nice and warm, so that's what I just threw on. And a turtleneck with long sleeves, because why is it 38 degrees? Anyway, I'm heading to work right now, so I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Just got to work. I feel like I never bring y'all through like an entire day. I feel like I'm always checking in, but like I want it to be like a storyline. The vlogs to be like a storyline. Hello. Hey. Yes.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey guys, so it's lunchtime. They just came around and got the kids' COVID test because the kids test as well. Currently I'm on my lunch break, so I'm just sipping some coffee. My coffee today is a little bit bitter. I don't know what I forgot, but clearly I forgot something. So I'm currently editing a video because I want to put it up for tomorrow, but my computer keeps saying out of storage, and baby, what you mean? So Apple is playing with my life. Really playing with my life. I just deleted my last video and it's still saying that I have 326. I'm over it. But anyway, it's so different having kids in a classroom and kids on Zoom. Like, unfortunately, not all the kids are able to come in. Like, I have kids in my room right now and I feel like my energy is going and like I forget my kids on Zoom. So I need to figure out like an equal balance. And also, like, I feel like the students who are here right now are ones who are like, well, some are like the ones who are like struggling with virtual learning and like not logging on, not completing their work. But like when you see them in person and they're actually trying, it just sucks that like the whole virtual world, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really know like how to go about it. It's up to me. We're scratching grades for this year, like period. Like, why are we still grading? Like, it's too many setbacks, I feel like, that's happening with the kids. Some people can't, like, I know I function well when I'm in the building at work versus me being at home all the time. It takes a serious type of discipline, which I'm not sure like kids their age have that just yet. Some kids do, some don't. The ones that are here now are actually trying. I'm there saying, hey, do this, and they're actually doing it. They're obedient, they're respectful. Not obedient because I'm not like their master or anything, but they're respectful, like all of those things. And you see that quality that you don't get to see on Zoom, because then on Zoom you're just thinking like, why are they not doing their work? And when you're seeing them in person, you're like, oh, I get it, I see how they are. Like, you get to read them as a whole person versus them being on Zoom with their cameras off. Like, it's a whole different ballgame. But anyway, y'all, girl, I'm talking about on my lunch break, y'all. I have 2 periods off after lunch because I taught most of my classes. I taught 1, 2, 3, 4 periods just now. Got lunch, I got 2 off, and I got 1 more at the end, period. So I'm free until like, well, not free. When I say free, I mean no kids in the room, nothing to do. Well, stuff to do, but whatever. I'm about to edit this video though. Don't tell nobody. If you watch me from work, where do I where you let a so if me and your work, where do I so let me edit, y'all, and I'm about to respond to some emails because companies, as soon as they send you their products, they want to be all like, when the video coming out, when the video coming out. I get it, but I have a full-time job. I have my mental health to take care of. They need to give you like, and that's why I'm gonna start responding. Maybe it's my fault. I'm gonna tell them like, when y'all send me things, I need 2 weeks, baby. Give me at least 2 weeks. First, I'm not gonna promote anything that I don't believe in. So let me try the product out first. And if it don't work, I'll let you know that, hey, I can mail it back to you, but I'm not comfortable sharing this on my channel. Like, y'all, I'm not about to tell y'all to go spend y'all money on anything if I truly don't believe it. They need to hold on. They trying to be like, oh, I saw that you received your package. When the video gonna go up? Can I open the package first? Can I do that? All right. Anyway, me blabbering, but these be my thoughts. So I'm gonna edit this video, y'all, so BRB. Hey guys, so leaving work now. We had a fire drill just now, so we finished up a little earlier than before. Went outside. It's cold today. It only went up to 56 degrees today. So this morning was 38 and now it's 56. Still cold. My hands are a little cold. So yeah, we're about to go home. Hey guys, so I just got home. It's hot, but I'm hungry. Ooh. 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 My mouth is burning. No, I told y'all earlier that I really wanted to show y'all my routine, like what I do throughout the day. So this is it. So when I get home, usually I go right upstairs because I gotta pee. But I peed at work. TMI, but whatever. And then I get a bag of ice. Not a bag of ice. I fill my cup up with some ice. I don't know. I'm addicted to ice. Like addicted. Got my ice. I'm gonna bring water and a green tea. Bring my patty. And we're just gonna watch some Netflix. Usually when I get home from work, I'll probably jump in the shower soon too. But child, I'm tired and hungry. So Netflix, water and ice. So see y'all. Hey guys, what's up? Happy Friday. I'm in bed still. Usually I'll be up and about, but I don't feel like it today. So I'm just trying to show y'all, like, not every day it's all like, yeah, I'm at work and, you know, it is what it is. Like, today I don't feel like moving. Today I'm ready to risk it all. Psych, because we got bills. But I don't feel like moving. Oh my God. Anybody want to work for me today? Like, we're not doing much. Oh my God. But yeah, I'll catch y'all later. I'm about to get up. It's Friday. Blessings are for my life, and me, I don't put your pot down. It don't take me that long to get to work, so I'm here. But somebody is in my parking spot. Y'all know, like, in the classroom, you got like your assigned seat, but it's not really an assigned seat. Like, who took my assigned parking lot? And like, my backup parking spot is full. Got 7 minutes to find parking. This is ghetto. Like, who would ever know that I'm coming to work today and take my parking spot? Found one, y'all. I found one. All right, let's put on the whole armor of God. God, I ask for your divine mercies today. Ask that today goes very smoothly, Lord Jesus. I get all my tasks accomplished. Mighty God, the kids are good today. In your precious holy name, give me the sanity that I need. Amen. All right. Today's outfit, y'all, I've been dressing cute all week. I just want to toot my own horn, toot toot. But I haven't been vlogging my outfits. Today, I don't know, it's Friday, so I was trying to dress very chill. So all my work clothes right now is in my basement, packed away, because last year I packed them away for the whole summer. Quarantine happened, everything, we were gonna come back in the building. So in my head, I'm all like, oh, we're not going back into the building. So everything is downstairs. Got back from Jamaica, and now it's time to go back in the building, like, and wearing professional dress, because we were in the building before, but we could wear whatever we wanted because the kids weren't here. So now that the kids are here, now it's time to dress professionally. And I ain't got no professional outfit in my closet right now, really. So I'm like reaching. So today's outfit, I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know, I feel like I like seeing people dress like dressy skirt with like a t-shirt and heels and stuff like that. Obviously I'm not wearing heels to school because we ain't got time for that. That's like August and September. After that, it's straight flats and boots for me. But let me show y'all what I got on real quick. So that's what I have on. Hopefully y'all saw it. And I just accessorized with gold earrings, gold, whatever this is, and then my Apple Watch, which is dead. I need to put to charge right now. I feel like, I need to go back to the gym, y'all. I'm out of breath. And that's not cute. I literally just showed y'all my outfit. Like, I didn't even run or do nothing. I don't know if y'all know this, but when your Apple Watch is dead, you can still tell the time. I don't know if I'm putting y'all on, but I just accidentally did it one day and I was just like, oh. So the power button, you just hold it down. And then I can still see the time, which right now is 8:22. So boom, I'm about to put it to charge, y'all. I took my mom's stethoscope and nursing kit or whatever, and this is what I like to keep my pocketbook very organized. Like, I hate going in my pocketbook and stuff is just all over the place. So I literally have everything organized. The only thing that's loose is this, but everything else has somewhere to go. So all my chargers and everything like that is in here, and my SD cards. I even got lip gloss in here, but everything that I have is in here just to keep my bag organized. And then I just have my laptop and my sunglasses. These don't need to be in a case because I never bring sunglasses in my pocketbook. They're always in my car, but today I wore them out. Oh, and I brought this today to charge my phone, but other than that, nothing else is in my pocketbook. I have pencil case. Like, I don't have it today, but I usually have a little pouch with like female products, lip gloss, anything, you know, random stuff in there. But I didn't bring that today because I don't be needing any of that. Let me get started today. Today's agenda, today's the last day of the report period, so I like to focus on the kids, making sure that their grades are together. Kids that are failing, try to help them out, like, you know, trying to part the Red Sea. But yeah, so that's what's on my agenda for today. Y'all, my planner is so cute. I think I got this from Michael's or Target. I got two things today to do. Is to update my grade book, which I've been doing. So it's, unless the kids went in last night and did some work, it's updated. And then I had to add some participation grades in my grade book. Other than that, I'm good. See, look at me, look at me. And so over the weekend now, it's all YouTube. I don't do my job work over the weekend. YouTube Saturdays and Sundays are my YouTube days. Anyway, I'm gonna put my camera away because kids are gonna start coming in now, and I'm not trying to have them find me on YouTube, you feel me? So see y'all later. Hey guys, what's up? I feel extremely exhausted and tired. School is over. Usually I'm out of here already, but I just can't move. And I was making a thumbnail for my video that's being posted today. So time to go home, y'all. Just packing up my things. Got all my chargers. I'm not bringing home my work laptop today. I don't even know if I like this thumbnail. I don't know, but I be over like trying to get the perfect thumbnail. Like, I'm literally over it. I need to find like a signature thumbnail for my vlogs and then just be done with it. Hey guys, so I'm in one of my favorite places on earth. I feel like y'all don't know that because I hardly vlog here, but I'm in IKEA. Well, I love their showroom. I love to come and see like how they put stuff together. So that's what I'm excited about, to see and see like how I would incorporate that in my room or whatever. I know specifically kind of what I'm looking for, but then also I'm just browsing.
Can't we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Let me out first. Can get what we want without knowing.
Hey guys, so I'm on a date. I know. I'm on a date. Y'all, we at one of our favorite spots.
We ain't been mixing like years.
Right. Y'all, we devoured 1.5 drink, these nachos, and these fries. Hey guys, what's up? So it's nighttime. I just got in from hanging out. I just took a shower, put on my night face, everything, my face product. So that is how my Sunday went. Very relaxing. Now my brain is like in work mode, so but I'm not doing any work tonight. I told you I don't do work on the weekends. I save that stuff for during the week, Monday through Friday. That's what they pay me for, right? Exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm really up to. I'm about to go go downstairs right now to talk to my mom and wind down and just chill for a little bit. So I'll check y'all tomorrow. Dang, I'm ashy. Anyway, good night.